Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add highlights effects in Camtasia 2021. So for sake of example, I'll just use this clip you can see on the screen. So you need to click on annotations at the left side of your screen. Now you can see there are lots of options available. Just click on that water drop icon and select the highlight. You can see there are four options available like blur, spotlight, highlights and pixel. So the highlight, which is the pen icon, select and drag into your timeline. Right now you can see this is the highlight option. Now you can see it has yellow fill, right? And you will be able to control the color or the fill in the right side of your screen. So if you want to fill with other color like red or blue, it's completely depends on you. So let's suppose I want to use this color and I want to highlight this part of this. Suppose I want to highlight this part of it. So I'll be able to adjust the length by dragging to the right side. Okay, so you'll be able to do that also, even or you can just adjust the size of the highlight or whatever you want. So in this way you'll be able to add highlights effect in Camtasia 2021.